All right, welcome to KwhOnlyEv channel. So today I was just in town, well, around the uptown Charlotte area, and well, I know there's an Electrify America charging station that will be installed in the uptown area. Like a year ago, it's like there was a rumor or somehow that there will be one here, and I wasn't sure, or so a lot of us weren't sure where it was gonna be at. But somehow today I came around the area. It's like, well, there's one installed at the Bank of America location here. So they only have 4 stalls, and I believe they have one of the BTC, the new charging stalls. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around to let y'all see the charging station. I'm gonna turn it around. All right, so it is over there, right there, across the other side. So I'm about to step out just to see. But yeah, they only have 4 stalls here, and they are ready to commission them. This is already complete, so I will be going there shortly. And but I believe Charlotte area need more Electrify America charging stations, and maybe some other charging DC fast charging stations as well. I know there are a couple of them around, like the free wire ones. You can always find those ones at a BP gas station. You see a whole lot of those, just a single charging stations at the BP gas stations. A lot of them, you'll see them there. So I believe we need more of the Electrify America, or even if it is EVgo usually see maybe like a 50 kilowatt or 100 kilowatt. Maybe you might be lucky you see a 350 kilowatt. I know there's one in the other side of Charlotte, which is at damn, I forgot what it's called. And there's one in Matthews, not too, sort of closer to North Carolina, which are around North Carolina anyway. So I'm sorry, Charlotte area. So let me come out of the car and see what it is. So they have, oh, actually these are all 350 kilowatt. That is awesome. That's good. But they are not powered on. They just have them hanging around here. So yeah, they're all 350 kilowatts. That is good, instead of having the 150. So these are all 350 kilowatt. That is good. That's really good. And I believe these are BTC. Actually, Signet. I'm sorry. These are all Signet. These are all Signets. Dispenser. Yeah, the good old Signets that always give you some problems. Yeah, they're all Signets. Is it? So these are all Signet charging stalls, and they have between 277 and 480 volt. So, and it has all this. But yeah. So yeah, these are all Signet 350 kilowatt, which is great. I believe this should all be 350 kilowatt anyway, because I mean, either way, you still got cars that charge 350 kilowatt instead of using 150 kilowatt anyway. So they might just as well just install 350 kilowatt. You know, I mean, the car can't go beyond that anyway. So that's just my own opinion. But that is good. We need more of this around Charlotte area. So Electrify America, you guys need to install more. I mean, big cities like Atlanta, Raleigh, I know they have a couple of them around the city area. So that would be great if you guys can install more. No, I mean, you guys can apply for that government funding and stuff that Elon Musk got. So you guys can install more around around a lot of cities and stuff, even some small towns as well. That'll be great. I know I made a video about Asheville, North Carolina needs some chargers, because a lot of people come to Asheville that owns an electric vehicle, and 4 stalls is not good enough. I mean, Tesla have an average of 10. Maybe 8 if there's, I mean, average of 10, I think, you know, and they have 10 or more. So but it's good. I will be looking forward to this new stall being commissioned. Probably they should be doing that in a few months or so. So if you live in the Charlotte area, let me know what you think in the comment section, or even if you don't live in Charlotte area, in your area, let me know what you think about installations on more DC fast charging in smaller areas, or maybe in some big cities as well, because I mean, we need more of these. If a lot of people will be, if we want a lot of people to adopt electrification of their vehicles, they have to be charging reliable charging stations for people to use, because if not, people will be discouraged. And that's one of the main concern about people trying to adopt electric vehicles, is like where to charge and how long to charge. Okay, actually no, 3 things: where to charge, how long it's going to charge, and how far the car can go. Okay, because every time people ask about it, cause like, how far can it go? Can you take it on a road trip? You know, which I did multiple times. I mean, I'm still planning on going on another road trip. So, but yeah, or how fast can it charge? Yes, this car can charge faster. You can achieve at least 234 kilowatt for a couple of minutes, maybe like 5 minutes or so, if the charging station can deliver that. And after that, it drops down the charging speed rate. So, and what was the other one? How far can it go? How fast? I guess, yeah, and this fast, I mean, this is 800 volt architecture, so it charges really fast, you know. So, but anyway, let me know in the comment section if this is your first time viewing this channel. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my video, my charging station session videos, my EVAC review, and installation videos, accessory videos for my 2022 Kia EV6, and road trip video for my 2022 Kia EV6, and also check out electric motorcycle videos. I am still waiting on the Del Mar, Estel Del Mar. I'm still thinking whether I should go for it or not, but I've been contacted by one of the sales gurus, and I'm trying to see if I have to go for it or not. So right now they are about to start making the bikes with my reservation, but they have one. I just didn't want to go there yet to see if I want to go with that color or not. So, but see you in another video, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.